Today let us do exercise 13H. Find the volume of sphere. A sphere is the one which look like a ball, okay? So here they give us the radius is 3.5 cm and number 2 5 m. Then now we have to find the volume of sphere. So for volume of sphere we have the formula. We can apply it directly. Radius of sphere we can take it as r. It is equal to 3.5 cm. Then volume of sphere, we know it is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3, you can write as 4 by 3. Then pi, you know the value, it is 22 by 7. R, you know 3.5. So since we have cube, you can write it, multiply 3 times. Then here, 7 and 3.5 we can cancel. But here we have decimal, no? So you can put decimal, 7 into 5. 3 we cannot cancel. So now what to do? You multiply all this. After you multiply, count 3 number after decimal. Then you divide by 3. So please complete it yourself. And number 2, the same way you can start, okay? In place of r, you have to put 5 meter. So next we'll go to number 2. Number 2, we have to find the surface area of sphere. They give us the volume is this much. The volume is 606.375 meter cube. We have the volume. We need to find the surface area. The surface area, we know the formula is 4 pi r square. So in order to find the surface area, we need to get the radius first. So what to do? We'll proceed from what we know, that is from the volume. We will find first the radius, then after that we will find the surface area. So here we know the volume of sphere already given from the question, 606.375 meter cube. The formula for volume of cube, we know it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so that will be easy for us to calculate. Let's remove the decimal. How many number after decimal? There are 3. So let's put 3 0 down. If I put only 0, no meaning. So we can put 1. Then now our aim is to get r cube. 4 by 3 you can remain there. Pi we know 22 by 7. R cube, let it be there. So now we have to find r cube, remember. So what to do? 3 and 7 they are down. If we transfer them this side, they are divide. We transfer this side, they will become multiply. And these 2 they are multiply. If we transfer this side, they will become divide. So in that way we will get like this, okay? So here we can cancel with 11. 11 into 2. 11 you divide this one, you get this one. Then you can, because here you see we want r cube. So that means we want only r. To remove this 3, you can put cube root this side. So you split 5, 5, 1, 2, 5. 3 cannot split anymore, write it like that. 7, write like that. 1000 we can write 10 into 10 into 10. 4 we can write 2 into 2. Okay, then here we have another 2. So remember, cube root here we have to put 3. So we have 3 5, take out 1. 7 we have 1 2 3, take out 1. 3 also we have 3, take out 1. 10 take out 1. 2 take out 1. Why we take 3 3 we group 1? Because here we have the cube root. So those which are up, write up. Those which are down, write down. So here 5 and 10 we can cancel. 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 2, 4. So the radius is 21 by 4. If you convert it to decimal, you will get this one, okay? Divide by yourself, 21 by 4. Now we get the radius. Remember the aim of question. It is to find the total surface area of sphere. So total surface area of sphere, we know the formula is 4 pi r square. So 4, write it as 4. Pi, you know, 22 by 7. Then r we already get from here, no? It is 5.25. So here 7, you can cancel with this one. Because 7 is greater than 5. So we start with decimal. 7, 7, 49. 12 minus 49, it will be 2 to 5. So 7 in 35, it will be 75. So now we finish to cancel. You can multiply yourself. 4 into 22, 88. 88 you multiply with 75. What you get multiply with 5 to 5. Okay, after you multiply, you count. How many number after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever you get, that will be the answer. It is the surface area. So remember, the unit will be meter square. Then in a similar way, you can do number 3. They give us the volume of sphere. We have to find the radius and also the surface area. So here we have the volume, the radius we don't know. So let's denote it as R. Volume of sphere, we have this one. We know the formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, already given from the question. 4 by 3, let it be there. Pi we know, 22 by 7. R cube we don't know. Let's remain like that. So to get r cube, these 2 which are down, if you take it the other side, they will become multiply. These 2 which are up, if we bring this side, they will become divide. So here now you can cancel. Okay, you divide this one with this one with this one. Then after that we will see next. So after we cancel, we are left with 441 into 3 into 7. So remember, we don't want r cube, we want only r. So to remove that cube, we have to put cube root the other side. Okay, so now you split 441. It can be split as 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Then here we already have 3, 7. Then from here you see we have 3 cube. So we can take out 1. Then 7 also we have 3. We can take out 1. So remove the cube root. Okay. Then 3 into 7 we get 21. Now we get the radius. We can find the surface area. Surface area of a sphere, we know it is the formula 4 pi r square. 4 let it be. Pi you know 22 by 7. R we know 21. So here there are r square. We can write it twice. It is the area. The unit will be centimeter square. So 7 you cancel with 21. We get 3. Then now you multiply them. You will get the answer. Please multiply yourself. Then here we have centimeter square. Okay, because it is the unit for area.